This guy's a sign saying press one of the buttons. Let's see who does it.
Press one of the buttons. It's a golden button. Come on, I can't really expect us to make a winning button. Come on now. What is it? You doing, Adam? You just won $500. A Monopoly muffin. $500.
Thank y'all. Oh my gosh, you guys are like, are you kidding TV, aren't you? You're not gonna say anything, are you? Never do. Press one of the buttons.
Get on the ground and do 5 push-ups.
Real push-ups or like the girl push-ups? Does that work?
Okay, have a nice day.
Okay. Have a good day. It's not.
Wow. I'm so excited to tell you that you just swore out absolutely nothing.
See you guys on Instagram.
What is it? Press it again. Awesome? Think so?
Loser.
Oh, okay. Thank you. This is a gold one.